The town where I grew up is very quiet and beautiful. It's not crowded or noisy like the city, so life feels calm and slow. The air is always fresh and cool, which makes me it a nice place to live. People in my town are friendly, kind, and often help each other. I always feel happy and relaxed when I am there. In my hometown, there is a well-known place called Dinsor. It has a big old house and a lake around it, which makes it very beautiful. It is also a national heritage site. So many people come to visit. The place is beautiful and full of history. It's very close to my house, only about 400 meters away. Young people in my town often meet at small tea shops on the street. They sit together, drink a tea, and take for house after work or school. Sometimes they go to a friend's house to hang out, chat, or drink some beer. We don't have many models plans, but spending time this way is still fun and relaxing.